Have you ever wondered how close we are to achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and what it might mean for our future? Imagine a future where machines can do more than just follow a set of pre-programmed instructions. These machines can understand, learn, and adapt to new situations. They can solve complex problems that require deep understanding and creativity. This is the promise of AGI, a form of artificial intelligence that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human would. The concept of AGI is a step beyond the AI we know today. While current AI excels at specific tasks, AGI aims for a broader understanding and application. It's about creating a system that doesn't just understand the game of chess or how to recognize a face in a picture, but can apply its understanding across a myriad of tasks. But how did we get here? The journey started in the 70s and 80s with simple expert systems. These were computer programs that emulated the decision-making ability of a human expert. They were rule-based systems that solved problems in a specific domain. Expert systems were the precursor to AI, setting the stage for what was to come. In the 90s and 2000s, the focus shifted to machine learning algorithms. These algorithms could learn from data and improve their performance over time. They powered everything from your email spam filters to recommendation systems on e-commerce sites. Machine learning marked a significant step forward in the evolution of AI. It moved us from rule-based systems to ones that could learn and adapt. Yet, even these systems had their limitations. They were still narrow in their focus, excelling at one task, but faltering when presented with a new one. This is where AGI comes in. It's the next leap forward, promising a system that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. From these humble beginnings, AI has grown into a powerful tool that is reshaping our society. As we stand on the brink of AGI, we can only wonder what the future holds. AI has not been a linear progression. It has been a series of breakthroughs, each one building on the last. In the grand tapestry of artificial intelligence, certain threads stand out, marking pivotal moments that have shaped the AI landscape. One such thread is the development of neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these complex systems can learn and improve over time. Imagine having a brain that never tires, a brain that can process information at an unparalleled speed. That's the power of neural networks, a significant leap that has opened up new possibilities in AI. In 1997, another thread was woven into the tapestry. The world watched in awe as IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This marked a milestone in AI's ability to not just calculate, but strategize, demonstrating a level of intelligence previously thought exclusive to humans. Fast forward to 2016, another thread emerged. Google's AlphaGo, an AI system, outsmarted the world champion in Go, a game renowned for its complexity. The victory of AlphaGo was more than just a triumph over a human player. It was a testament to the power of AI's ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions in complex scenarios. Then, in 2020, a new thread was added. OpenAI's GPT-3, an AI model, demonstrated an unprecedented level of language understanding. It could write essays, answer questions, translate languages, and even write poetry. This was not just a machine processing data, but a system exhibiting a deep understanding of human language. Each of these breakthroughs has been a stepping stone, a leap towards the ultimate goal, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI is the kind of AI that doesn't just excel in a single task, but has the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human brain. Each of these breakthroughs has brought us one step closer to AGI, but how close are we really? As we continue to weave the tapestry of AI, only time will reveal when we reach this ultimate goal. The road to AGI is not a straightforward one. It is a complex journey filled with both promise and peril. As we delve into the world of artificial general intelligence, we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era, one that is being shaped by ongoing research and development in the field of AI. At the heart of this journey is machine learning. We are witnessing the evolution of machine learning algorithms from simple rule-based systems to more complex neural networks that mimic the human brain. These advanced algorithms are capable of learning from their environment, making decisions, and adapting to change, all without human intervention. They are the building blocks of AGI, the key to creating machines that can understand, learn, and function like a human being. However, the journey doesn't end there. To truly realize the potential of AGI, these AI systems need to be integrated into real-world environments. They need to interact with humans, understand our societies, and navigate our complex world. This integration is a massive undertaking, one that involves not just technological advancements, but also changes in our societal structures and norms. And then there's the question of ethics. The development of AGI brings with it a host of ethical and societal challenges. How do we ensure that AGI respects human values? How do we manage the risks associated with AGI, such as the potential for misuse or the displacement of human jobs? These are questions that we must grapple with as we continue down the road to AGI. Despite these challenges, the pursuit of AGI continues unabated. Scientists, researchers, and AI enthusiasts are tirelessly working to unlock the mysteries of AGI. Their efforts are not just about creating smarter machines, they're about understanding the essence of intelligence itself. The road to AGI is a challenging one, but it is a journey that we are committed to making. We stand on the brink of a new frontier, one that promises to revolutionize our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. So, what does the future hold for AGI? What will it mean for us as a society? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The potential scenarios are as diverse as they are intriguing. Let's delve into a few possibilities, shall we? On the bright side, AGI, or artificial general intelligence, could be the key to unlocking solutions to some of the world's most complex problems. With its ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide variety of tasks, AGI could revolutionize fields like medicine, climate science, and more. Imagine a world where AGI systems aid researchers in developing more effective treatments for diseases, or help us better understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change. It's an exciting prospect, isn't it? But like any powerful tool, AGI could also pose challenges. The so-called intelligence explosion scenario is one that's often discussed. This is the idea that an AGI, once created, could quickly improve its own intelligence, rapidly surpassing human intelligence and becoming, in effect, a superintelligence. Now, this could lead to great breakthroughs, but it could also pose significant risks. If an AGI becomes so intelligent that it's beyond our control or understanding, it might act in ways that are not aligned with human values and interests. It's a sobering thought, and one that many researchers are working hard to address. So, where does that leave us? In an uncertain yet fascinating position. The exact timeline and outcome of AGI development are still topics of heated debate among scientists and AI experts. Some believe we're on the brink of creating AGI, while others argue it's still a distant dream. The future of AGI is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it will have a profound impact on our world. As we continue to explore and develop this frontier of artificial intelligence, it's essential that we do so with caution, rigor, and a deep consideration for the ethical implications. After all, the decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. AGI, it's a goal, a dream, a potential nightmare. It's a journey filled with breakthroughs, challenges, and unknowns. As we wrap up our exploration into the world of artificial general intelligence, let's recap the journey we've taken so far. We began at the dawn of AI, when the seeds of this revolutionary technology were first sown. We saw how these early prototypes, as rudimentary as they were, laid the groundwork for the sophisticated systems we see today. We marveled at the breakthroughs that followed, each one pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, these are not just buzzwords, but tangible advancements that have propelled us into this new era of technology. Then we ventured onto the road to AGI, a path strewn with both awe-inspiring potential and sobering challenges. We saw how researchers are striving to create systems that can understand, learn, and respond to any intellectual task that a human being can. It's a lofty goal, one that brings with it profound implications for our society and our future, and what a future it could be. We looked into the crystal ball of AGI, a future where machines could potentially match or even surpass human intelligence. It's a future that's thrilling, daunting, and a little bit scary. but it's a future that we as a society have the power to shape. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is certain. The journey to AGI is one of the most exciting and important journeys of our time. It's a journey that we all are a part of, whether we realize it or not. So, let's continue to explore, to question, to innovate. After all, the road to AGI is a road that leads to the very heart of what it means to be intelligent, to be human. And that's a journey worth making.